Me is a common sense man. That mean when me explain things, me explain it in a very simple way. That mean if I explain it to a baby, the baby will understand too, you know. It take many a year, mon, and maybe some bloodshed must be, but righteousness someday prevail. As a man sow, shall he reap. And I know that talk is cheap, but the heat of the battle is as sweet as the victory. The greatness of a man is not in how much wealth he acquires, but in his integrity and his ability to affect those around him positively. Life is one big road with lots of signs. So when you're riding through the ruts, don't complicate your mind. Flee from hate, mischief, and jealousy. Don't bury your thoughts. Put your vision to reality. Wake up and live. The good times of today are the sad thoughts of tomorrow. When you smoke the herb, it reveals you to yourself. Get up, stand up for your rights. Get up, stand up, don't give up the fight. Every man got a right to decide his own destiny. Herb is the healing of a nation. Alcohol is the destruction. I don't stand for the black man's side. I don't stand for the white man's side. I stand for God's side. Man is a universe within himself. The more people smoke herb, the more Babylon fall. Me don't dip on nobody's side. Me don't dip on the black man's side, not the white man's side. Me dip on God's side, the one who create me and caused me to come from black and white. What important is man should live in righteousness, in natural love for mankind. Me only have one ambition, you know. I only have one thing I really like to see happen. I like to see mankind live together, black, white, Chinese, everyone, that's all. The devil ain't got no power over me. The devil come, and me shake hands with the devil. Devil have his part to play. Devil's a good friend, too, because when you don't know him, that's the time he can mosh you down. I don't believe in death, neither in flesh nor in spirit. If you're white and you're wrong, then you're wrong. If you're black and you're wrong, you're wrong. People are people. Black, blue, pink, green. God make no rules about color. Only society make rules where my people suffer, and that why we must have redemption and redemption now. My music fights against the system that teaches to live and die. You entertain people who are satisfied. Hungry people can't be entertained, or people who are afraid. You can't entertain a man who has no food. Every time I plant a seed, he say kill it before it grow, he say kill it before they grow. I've been here before, and will come again, but I'm not going this trip through.